Today, I'm going to show you how to receive new notifications by email in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple setting that can help you stay updated even when you're not actively checking the app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open X.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This will open up a menu with additional options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the account controls, privacy options, and notification settings for your X account. Next, click Notifications. This section controls how X alerts you about activity, mentions, and account updates. After that, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll see several notification-related options that let you customize how you receive alerts. Now click Email Notifications. This is the area where you can manage what X sends to your email inbox instead of only showing alerts inside the app. Once you're in Email Notifications, find the option for New Notifications and toggle it on. This will enable email alerts for new notifications on your account. After turning it on, your changes should save automatically, and you'll start receiving new notification emails from X. And that's it. You've successfully turned on email notifications for new activity on X.com. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for quick and easy account settings help.